Why does the IRS file letter 11? First, to do that, they're going to go through a home notice procedure. They're going to be going through the CP 501, 502, 504, another one of my famous notices called Notice of Intent to Levy, which means they intend to levy next, but they're not actually levying right now. You're going through notices saying, hey, you owe this money. Another letter, hey, friendly reminder, you owe this money. We're going to escalate collections. And then CP 504 saying, well, we now have the intent to levy. And then you get to letter 11.
And it's interesting that when the client gets that letter 11, that's the first time they have, sometimes will even have any interaction with us at all.
Right. I mean, hopefully they gave it to us before, but you're right. Letter 11 will stay on its face. We will, not intent, we will be levying you within 30 days.
Yep.
And the other side of that is that what they don't understand too is it's not just levying the bank account, which is what they're basically talking about in concepts, but they're also going to send out, if they're contractual workers and they got 1099 income coming in, they could literally send that letter or that levy to the contractors and says, hey, look, any money you owe John Doe, we want, which could then put him out of business.
Correct. So my experience, I get one of these letter 11s. There are a lot of options which we could talk about. Well, first, I don't wait. The taxpayer sends it to me in the beginning. I'll file the appeal. Before I even engage the IRS in anything else, I'll just file the appeal. I want it in there. Of course, you're a day late, and the problem is with letter 11, as opposed to the other letters, there's no electronic response to that. You look at it, other letters you can respond using the online service. Letter 11, the only response is you have to file your appeals form. You have to get the taxpayer to sign it. And then you actually have to run over or walk to your local post office and mail it, certified mail, return receipt requested.
And that's the 12153 you're talking about, right?
Yeah,
that's what
12153.
That's one of the first things I learned was it's almost professional malpractice if they get a letter 11 that you don't file a 12153.